Yeah, I would be like, oh man, I think the party's over. Time to go home.
You're like, yeah, he didn't like that.
Yeah. When the tables flip, it's time to go.
His face went completely into the cake. Yeah, he didn't like that. He really wanted to share.
Oh, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a night POV test drive inside this 2000 Toyota Camry. Got my brother here, and we playing the song "Man, I Miss My Dog" by Lil Wayne. All right, let's take a look. Let's hear this song. Wow, what's going on, YouTube? Why you gotta be dumb? I swear to God, if a commercial plays, I'm gonna lose it.
I'm thinking I miss my dog.
I'm thinking I miss my dog too. Dude. What dog do I miss? Lanas.
Well, dude, I can tell you what dog I miss.
What dog do you miss?
Dude, I miss my dog, dude. Like, I was thinking about.
Like what dog? Like a homie? Like a real homie?
Yeah, I was thinking about B-Cam a few days ago.
Oh, B-Cam, yeah, that was the guy.
Cause, dude, like, I mean, yeah, dude, like, I'm doing so much soul searching that, like, I'm thinking about B-Cam.
B-Cam. All right, if you guys don't know, YouTube B-Cam 0991.
Yeah, B-Cam 0991.
He's a hardcore Pokemon battler. I hate YouTube. They play so much commercials.
Check this guy out.
Whoa. They play so much commercials, and it totally stinks because it stinks, one, because I get paid because of that, because I do YouTube now, and they're so annoying, the commercials, bro. They're 15 seconds long, just PO'd. What about you? How do you feel about the commercials on the YouTube?
I think they're fine.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
YouTube is free.
Yeah.
Commercials are 15 seconds.
Oh, I can't handle
seconds.
It's because, you know what? Whenever I'm on YouTube, I have zero downtime. Whenever I'm on YouTube, it's to search something. Like, I do watch a lot of YouTube.
You have zero downtime because you're so stressed.
I am. I'm always stressing.
Even on your downtime isn't downtime, because if you feel that you have downtime, you start feeling guilty, and you never have downtime.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, the only time I really watch YouTube or do anything recreational is when my videos are uploading, because sometimes it takes like an hour to get a 10-minute video up because my internet also stinks a little bit.
How have your videos been?
This is terrible. It's hard. I just started vlogging again.
Yeah.
So this is like a vlog style video, and I really like the vlog. I get so much engagement with my ASMR videos. I don't get a lot of engagement, but the views with my ASMR just blew up. I think it's because I did it for like a month and just posting every day. It's so easy.
Still blowing up?
YouTube is a son of a thing, dude. I thought I just keep posting, but then it like drops all of my ASMR videos because I'm talking now, so they're not being as promoted as much. It's a disaster, bro. I just feel like they're messing with me.
They're not messing with you, dude. It's nothing personal ever.
I know that too. That's why I'm still doing it.
What's that famous word? Algorithm?
The algorithm, yeah.
It's just math.
The freaking robot looking at my video saying, nope, not this one.
Exactly.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's a robot.
Yeah, just when you think you have it figured out, you don't have it figured out.
With statistics.
Oh my God, these statistics. And I'm not a statistic. I can't even pronounce the word.
I'm not a statistics person either.
I'm not, yeah.
I'm cis.
I'm more of a sit and drive kind of guy.
I'm cisgender.
Oh my God. I don't even know. Dude, we gotta put some gas though. Oh.
Yeah, do we?
We should go all...
No, we don't.
I really want to drive all the way to Modesto to get the cheap gas.
Shut up.
We should. Let's go to Modesto because the gas is cheaper over there.
Yeah, it is.
The cheapest gas station here is $5 a gallon. We're gonna go to Modesto and we're gonna find out right now what it's all about.
Well, dude, like, of course,
I will literally drive to the next city over just to get gas. Cheaper.
Hey, you know how people say
cheaper gas.
I'm not advertised by them. Dude.
Sponsored?
Sponsored. Dude, I'm not sponsored a lick. Dude, I really like the Gas Buddy app. There's probably millions of apps just
Let's
like
see,
the
it's
Gas Buddy app.
yeah, $4.99. It's
Gas
not
Buddy
bad.
app is
Let's go
super
find out
popular.
what it is. I'm sorry.
So I just go on the Gas Buddy app,
Uh-huh.
find the cheapest price, wait till I'm close to low, and then fill up. And if you're not doing that, you either, I mean, you probably only like pump like $5 or $10 at a time. But dude, if you're not doing that, you're wasting a lot of time and money. Mostly time. Because, I mean, come on, what do you want to go to the gas station for the convenience stuff? Like
Sodas.
crappy chips and sodas. Like, I mean, the sodas are cool. You can buy a soda for like 79 cents.
That's
but the
what's up.
chips are way overpriced. That's how they get you.
Oh, the chips, yeah. You can buy a family pack for that.
Don't even get me started on a family pack.
So we're on the freeway now. We're going to get gas. This is a mission now. It's turned into something. It's turned into something.
You know what this has turned into? This has turned into the exact video that I wanted to put you on. So, I'll tell you like a quick story.
Tell me the story, because we're just vlogging.
Two different YouTube content creators decided to get along. And the video was, this one person does like some type of style vlogging where they're always like, they have the camera always on and they're always going and going and going, like kind of like you do. So there's very little editing. And the other person,
I love zero editing.
And the other person,
editing is so hard.
The person that will say a sentence and then there's like time in between, and then the person will say, okay, let me say that again, but even better.
All right, great. Before anything, let me
say the sentence.
Tell.
And then he'll say, oh, I didn't like that. Let me say the sentence. So there's two different people, and it just made for like a different type of video for both of them.
For sure, I get you. Hey, like, what am I thinking of right now, Christian?
I have no idea. I'm actually on your energy wavelength, and I don't really like it because
You gotta match it, bro.
It kind of feels like I'm being rushed when I'm speaking.
Yeah, I do.
You're always like, oh, I want to talk next. I'm like, okay, go for it.
Well, the thing is, that's like, yeah, that's how I am. Yeah, man, I wouldn't say I'm always interrupting, but yeah. But come on, what am I thinking of right now?
You're thinking about nothing. Oh, you're.
What? No, what song am I thinking of? I'll give you a hint.
I miss my dog.
Man, I miss my dog. That's 100% the song I'm thinking of right now.
Shut up.
Man, I miss my dog.
So lame.
That song is not that good. Oh my
I
goodness.
thought it was okay.
I thought it was
Look at
okay
that
too.
Sick ass truck. Dude, I miss
Semis?
those trucks.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they have this new thing coming out where they're saying they can't prosecute people who smoke marijuana outside of work. Like that's their time thing. You know what I'm saying? So as long as they're not like doing it on the job, it might be legal.
I mean, it might be. I probably shouldn't say it.
Yeah, if you don't think you should say it,
shouldn't say this,
don't say it.
So I'm not gonna say it.
Yeah, but I mean, you can find a way around it without saying any bad words or something.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna cut just by saying that.
Oh, okay, good. Let's not bring it up then.
Yeah, I'm gonna go by an alias now. You can call me Buddy.
I mean, we've all. All right, bud. Well, okay. All right, guys. So in a couple days, I'm actually gonna be 32.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, in a couple days. So yeah, Maida's already planning me a birthday party and everything. It's gonna be sweet at the park. We're probably gonna take some tequila shots. You guys are all invited. Message me, email me invites. But it's gonna be cool. Just some volleyball, a little bit of this,
For my birthday.
a little bit of that. Leave a like for the birthday, yo.
Dude, volleyball would be sick, dude.
Yeah, it's gonna be super sweet. Maybe I'll get a cake. They'll dump my head into it like they always do, and
that'd be sick.
it's just gonna be awesome. So
We should get 2 cakes.
what was I gonna say? I totally forgot. 2 cakes? Why? The 30?
No.
Dirty 30?
Okay, well, there's
Well, I already did the dirty 30.
There's always people trying to dunk your head into the cake.
It's a Mexican
and
thing.
Of course you're gonna resist it.
Uh-huh.
But dude, what if you don't resist it at all and you surprise everyone when someone just like dips your head and it goes straight in?
We should do a prank. You're right. We should get 2 cakes and someone will push my head in like they always do, and we'll destroy the cake.
No, and then you pretend to get mad, you grab the cake and you throw it. You're like, God damn it!
We start a giant cake fight.
No, I don't think that's
Well, we'll destroy that cake and everyone's gonna be like, well, now we don't get no cake, and then we pull out a surprise cake.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Okay.
Yeah,
How
something
about
like
this? How about
that.
this? Oh, how about this?
Yeah.
You and Myra do the prank, right?
Uh-huh.
You set up a special table, and you decorate the table so there's like it's supposed to be there, right?
Right.
The prank is that you're gonna flip over the table in a rage.
Oh my God.
So you're gonna decorate the table like it's perfect, right? You might put a few things that wouldn't get ruined when you toss the table. You're gonna have one chair.
I know. I don't know. Someone might get hurt doing tossing tables.
Is you get mad and you just like toss the table and you're like, and everyone's all like, oh wow, this is really uncomfortable. And you're like, JK! You're like,
this is really uncomfortable.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's what people.
Well, yeah, I would be like, oh man, I think the party's over.
Yeah,
Time to go home.
You're like, yeah, he didn't like that.
Yeah. When the tables flip, it's time to go.
His face went completely into the cake. Yeah, he didn't like that. He really wanted to share.
Oh, that's what I was thinking too. Head goes in, you go like, you come back out, and the cake's everywhere.
But the thing is, you have to take a few seconds to pretend to not know what happened. You're like, oh wow,
you guys are jerks.
You guys, exactly. You guys are jerks, man. Forget this. And you're like,
that's a good idea. I could totally play that off.
Dude, that'd be a good prank.
Acting skills coming in.
But the thing is, you gotta practice it.
Dude, don't need too much practice.
Bro. Dude, you want to hear something weird?
Hurry, because we're at the gas station. And what's the gas, dude? Is it $4.50? Oh, $4.75. So it's 25 cents cheaper per gallon. So is that worth the like what? 10-minute drive over here?
10 minutes? Dude, it felt like a few seconds.
I know, we got here quick. Yeah, I don't know.
And when you said we were going to Modesto, I didn't know we were going to Sears.
We're going to Modesto, Series.
Sell it close.
Man, I miss my dog. Man, I miss my dog. Best part, you know what? That song is now officially awesome.
I miss my dog.
Man, I miss my dog. Man, I miss my dog. It's too much, man.
Dude, that's like some B-Cam shit right there.
That's B-Cam stuff. All right, guys. If you guys are still with us on the POV test drive, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Night drive. We went over here, got 25 cents a gallon on gas, and I do it again. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Crit, you got anything to say before we leave?
Nope.
Man, I miss my dog.